Upon entering the Salerno, the open feel of the great room impresses you. Beyond, a wall of sliding glass doors looks out onto a covered terrace. Adjacent to the entrance, the formal dining area is enhanced by detailed ceilings. Adjoining the main living space is an airy galley-style kitchen with a casual dining nook framed by windows to catch the sun. The generous owner's suite provides elegant privacy and a master bath created for repose. 3 additional spacious bedrooms on the main floor allow for comfortable residence. A study located off the main living space is complemented by a broad window. Travel upstairs to the 5th substantial bedroom and full bathroom, which is joined by a lofty sitting room. Head outside to explore the extensive terrace including pool, spa, fire pit, and plenty of entertainment room. For more information, call ICI Homes at 855-217-4296 or visit www.icihomes.com.